Today, in module number 3 of microbes in human welfare, we are going to discuss about microbes in sewage treatment. Treatment of wastewater is done by heterotrophic microbes, means those microbes which depend on others to complete their requirement of food. Naturally, they are present in the sewage. This treatment is carried into two stages. One is primary treatment, that is also called the physical treatment, and secondary treatment, which is considered as the biological treatment. In primary treatment or physical treatment, it involves physical removal of particles from the sewage through filtration and sedimentation. Means these two, they are the steps which takes place in physical treatment. First, there is sequential filtration to remove floating debris, and second, that is sedimentation to remove grit, soil and small pebbles. All solids that settle form the primary sludge, and the supernatant form the effluents. The effluents from the primary settling tank is taken for secondary treatment. In secondary or biological treatment, the primary effluent is passed into large aeration tanks. This allows vigorous growth of aerobic microbes into flocks. In this aeration tank, air is passed continuously and mechanical agitation of effluent takes place. While growing, these microbes consume the major part of the organic matter in the effluent. This significantly reduces the BOD, means biological oxygen demand of the effluent. BOD is a measure of the organic matter present in the water. The greater the BOD of wastewater, more is its potential pollution. Once the BOD of sewage water is reduced significantly, the effluent is then passed into a settling tank where the bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment. This sediment is called activated sludge. Now, a small part of this activated sludge is pumped back into the aeration tank to serve as the inoculum. Inoculum, the starting substance. The remaining major part of the sludge is pumped into large tanks called aerobic sludge digester. During this digestion, bacteria produces a mixture of gases such as methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. These gases form biogas. The effluent from the secondary treatment plant is generally released into natural water bodies like river and streams. The microbes, they are going to play a major role in treatment millions of gallons of wastewater every day across the globe. Till date, no man-made technology have been able to rival the microbial treatment of sewage. The Ministry of Environment and Forest has initiated Ganga and Yamuna action plans to save these major rivers of our country from pollution. Under these plans, it is proposed to build a large number of sewage treatment plants so that only treated sewage may be discharged in the rivers. As in case of Ganga water, we find out a large number of coliform bacteria they are found, which is responsible to increase the amount of pollutant in that water.